Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Zulfa and other supervisor, Madam Tia and Miss Saudi. Today I want to present about the case study anaphylaxis attack trigger complication in diabetes mellitus patient. Is my team member. My name is Nur Shuhaida Asnida. My metric number MS66. Nur Ana MS67, Rashida MS50, Nizato MS20, Danisha MS3. Next, introduction. Case study. The anaphylaxis attack trigger complication in diabetes mellitus patient. Anaphylaxis attack can be served either from food, drug, insulin, sting, and general anesthetic. The attack can be mild and lead to the fatal if the patient didn't get help or treatment early. Anaphylaxis causes your immune system to release a flow of chemical that can cause you to go into shock where your blood pressure drops suddenly and your airway narrow, blocking breathing. Signs and symptoms include the rapid wet pulse and skin rash and nausea and vomiting. The purpose of the study determine the nature of anaphylaxis in diabetes mellitus patient. Case study: anaphylaxis reaction to human insulin in diabetes patient. 46 years old Nona Topic woman who had been suffering from type 2 diabetes for 70 years was hospitalized at the endocrinology department of Salzburg University due to very high glucose level after recover from acute hepatitis A infection. She had never used insulin before. After the first subcutaneous dose of human regular insulin, local allergic reaction developed. Resistance to insulin was tried. 1 day later, ketoacidosis developed. Human regular insulin was again subcutaneously inject to the patient. Anaphylaxis reaction occur, and in spite of all the medical attempt to save the patient, she died. Next, I pass my present to next presenter.
My name is Nirsha bin Muhammad Nazri, metric number MS03. Research question. Did patient has anaphylaxis attack in the past 17 years? Then, did patient get anaphylaxis attack from other diabetic drug past 70 years? Then, what kind of anaphylaxis attack patient had it before? Then, what caused patient glucose suddenly spike? Then, did patient in particular medication recently? Then, did patient take her diabetic medication on time? Then, did patient receive right dose insulin during the glucose spike? Then, did human insulin cause anaphylaxis? Then, did patient hepatitis A infection recently cause patient glucose spike? Then, did patient in right diet past few months before the glucose spike? Then, what is a patient blood sugar reading and blood pressure reading before the glucose spike? Then, what is patient blood sugar reading and pressure during the glucose spike? Then, why patient given human insulin injection to control the blood sugar spike? And did patient given other drug first to control glucose spike? Research objective. The purpose of study to determine the effect of anaphylaxis attack in diabetic mellitus. Then, the purpose of study to define can anaphylaxis attack trigger complication in diabetic mellitus. Then, the purpose of the study to how help diabetic mellitus patient self-manage on anaphylaxis attack when a patient at home. And the purpose of study to find improving method diagnosis will be able to avoid mortality on diabetic mellitus patient.
Assalamualaikum to the Madam Tia, Miss Zulfa and Miss Odi. My name is Nizat Ukma binti Ayub. My matric number is MS20. The case study on the anaphylaxis attack trigger complication in diabetes mellitus patient. The case study was recorded at the Endocrinology Department of Selkirk University based real case. The study was conducted on 46 years old lady suddenly facing high glucose level after acute hepatitis A. She never had insulin before. Due to the glucose spike, she was given subcutaneous of human regular insulin right after the insulin jab. Patient developed several local allergy. Based on case study, we to do further research in order to achieve the result and able to determine the dangers of anaphylaxis to diabetic mellitus patient and how patient can self-care and precautions at home to avoid anaphylaxis attack, and our healthcare provider able to provide an improvement diagnosis on anaphylaxis attack in the future. I will pass this presentation to the Rashida. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rashida Banu binti Abdullah. My matric number is MS50. Now I'm going with research methodology slide. The first one is research design. The analysis on case study has a real case that recorded on medical journal using quantified method. The research done by students from Diploma Medical Science in July 19 PCOM. The purpose of study to determine the danger of analysis attack in diabetic mellitus patient. Now, the second research is research subject. After studying various cases from the journal, we have selected case study from Journal of Diabetes its complication. The third one is sampling method. The Journal of Diabetes and Complication are complete to the current research on the analysis attack trigger complication diabetes mellitus patient. The fifth one is data collection. Extract data from various journals or similar case. Audit on Malaysia collection data. Then research data analysis based on data extraction from the data study and analysis attack on diabetic mellitus patient by healthcare provider on previous case. The last one is research instrument. All the journal were extract with medical website university e-journal.
Assalamualaikum dan good morning to Madam Tia, Madam Zulfa dan Madam Odi. I'm going and fellow classmate. My name is Nora Ana binti Othman. My matric number 67. I'm going to present regarding a Gantt chart. Okay, in this Gantt chart started from May until October, we have a few progress that have we done. Okay, started with a proposal where we create a proposal between April and May, and then literature review from May until September, pilot study until May and from May until September, data collection from May until July, and Viva expected to be September or October. My next topic, I'm going to present about budget. We needed about 500. Okay, using for internet for 5 group member, journal and material study, and transport. For internet, we need 400 ringgit. Journal and material study for 300 ringgit. Transport to public library or medical library 100 ringgit. Total is 500. Thank you.